Ajit Pawar, known for his candid and often controversial remarks, has once again stirred a political chatter in Maharashtra right now. And this time, it's over his recent statements that have sparked speculation about whether he is now contemplating on a return to his uncle Sharad Pawar's fold, especially after his political setback in Baramati. Having lost the Baramati Lok Sabha seat to Supriya Sule, Ajit Pawar has now candidly admitted that fielding his wife Sunitra Pawar against Supriya was a mistake, a decision which he now regrets. In fact, in his own words, politics should never enter one's home. His emotional appeal also came with a suggestion for his parliamentary voters, constituency voter. In fact, he also said that they should be electing a new MLA so that they can truly assess the work that he has done for the region. This heartfelt speech, however, was met with a strong support from the crowd with cries of "We want Ajit Dada to continue as the MLA." Pawar, in fact, has represented Baramati in the Maharashtra Assembly since 1991, winning the 2019 elections by a significant margin of over 1.65 lakh votes against BJP's Gopichand Padalkar. Over the last weekend, his admissions did not just stop at Baramati. Ajit Pawar also, while addressing supporters in Gadchiroli, expressed remorse over the rift that he had caused within the family due to the politics that had been playing out over the past couple of years.
अजित पवार बारामती में विधानसभा चुनाव हार रहे हैं, ये पक्का है। उनको भी मालूम, ये उनको भी मालूम। अब मैं उनके ऊपर क्या बोलूं? आप अपने घर तोड़ा है, अपनी पार्टी तोड़ी है, जिस आपके नेता और आपके पिता समान शरद पवार साहब ने सब कुछ दिया, उनके पीठ में आपने खंजीर मारा है, तो अभी पश्चाताप होने से क्या फायदा है?
My colleague Abhishek joins us on the phone line to get us more details on this. Abhishek, on the outset, this looks like an emotional appeal there from Ajit Pawar, possibly an indication that he wants to return to Sharad Pawar's fold. But meanwhile, looks like the MVA does not really buy the argument. They think that Ajit Pawar is now a losing candidate and is trying to do all that he can to get every bit of emotional sympathy that he can.
See, one thing is very much clear, at this given point of time, that what is going on in the mind of Ajit Pawar is no one can predict. The way things are happening in the politics of Maharashtra and the statement he's been consistently making from past 1 month, either it is, single-handedly taking the promotion of Ladki Behan Yojana and while taking his Jan Sangman Yatra, where he was giving interview and where he expressed that it was his mistake to field his wife against his own sister. And the last speech he gave in Gadchiroli, where he again said that, I committed that mistake and I am repenting for it. And, it should not happen in anyone else's house. Politics should not enter family. This is all things definitely which is showing soft corners, and also political analysis say that, definitely he's keeping doors open, and also not visiting RSS memorial, having rift within the Mahayuti. It is all out open. It right from Shinde camp or of the BJP have seen leaders attacking and making statements. And now this emotional appeal in Baramati, definitely is on the similar lines. But it is very crucial to understand whether the Sharad Pawar camp of the NCP will accept him, one, whether he will step out or he will be forced to come out, is something that we will have to wait and watch out for. But one thing is very much sure, that Ajit Pawar, Ajit Dada, is not the same Dada who was at the time of Lok Sabha polls. His statement, his emotional appeals, things are changing. And will it lead him to get out of Mahayuti or enter Mahavikas Aghadi or go alone separate, forming a third front, is something that will be decided. But for sure, what is going on in the mind of Ajit Pawar is something which cannot be predicted. Back to you.